Dudes, first of all, y'all made a mess with all y'all's Easter bunny baskets, girls. Seriously, we can't even walk. We can't even walk. We walk into the door and this is what we gotta walk into. Seriously, why did the Easter bunny bring y'all so much stuff?
Because it's Easter. Look, Easter bunny got me this.
What is it? Let me see.
It said it's makeup.
It's makeup? Oh no. Oh no, no makeup. No makeup.
Mine. This was mine.
What about you?
Daddy, this is mine because I liked it.
Okay. Oh, what'd you get?
I
Oh.
like this one. Mine. I think
LOLs? OMG?
that was mine because
Okay, I think
I
it's
think that was
everybody's.
mine.
Who got the JoJo one?
Lolo.
Lolo got the JoJo one.
No,
Mina got the LOLs.
I put no. I put the wrong one in my basket.
Okay.
So that was
Okay,
mine.
so she got the wrong one in her basket, guys. So, anyways, heading to the grocery store because I'm gonna show you guys what to buy at the grocery store. If you're getting back to keto, I'm gonna show you what to buy at the grocery store, and I am not taking these little monsters. They're going with mommy.
Yay.
All right, let's go. All right, bye, girls.
Bye.
See y'all.
It's in my car for scooter.
Yeah, our scooter's right over there. I love you. Have fun,
We're
mommy.
never gonna make it to the park. We're never gonna make it to the park. Ever.
Bye-bye, Lolo. Love you. Okay, everybody, so we just got to the grocery store. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you everything that you should be buying and things that you're probably gonna notice, hey, why didn't he get this? Why didn't he get that? And that's exactly what I'm gonna explain on why a lot of people trip up on the ketogenic diet. So if you're someone who's just getting back on keto, you're not exactly sure what to buy or what to eat, and you see a lot of people on TikTok or Instagram eating a lot of certain products that are keto friendly and that they say, hey, this is how you're gonna lose weight on keto, you're probably gonna notice my grocery shopping cart and notice that those things are not in there. So let's go inside and we'll get to it. All right, let's jump into it. So first off, we started off with some VitaFarm pasture-raised eggs. These are probably the best eggs that you can get, and my grocery store has them. So anytime I got a little extra money, I'm always gonna go with the pasture-raised eggs. They're just higher quality eggs. But if you don't, it's all good. Hey, just get regular eggs and you'll be fine. Next up, we are going with ground lean turkey. Now, as you can see, I'm starting off with proteins first. These are my key proteins that I eat when I do the ketogenic diet. And when you want to get back to basics and you want to just keep it simple, these are the type of foods you're going to want to get. So lean turkey. Next up, salmon. Obviously, salmon is just amazing for you. And then next up, we got some grass-fed beef right there. Next up, got to go with the egg whites. Got to get that protein in. And then the almighty chicken breast. Cheap chicken breast, by the way, and very packed with protein. So got to get the chicken breast. I know a lot of you probably gonna think, Logan, why don't you get chicken thighs? I don't like chicken thighs. Like, I don't like the way they taste. That's just my preference. You can go chicken thighs if you want. There's nothing wrong with them. I just personally don't like them. I like to go with chicken breast, and then again, I will get my fats from other sources. Next up, look at these two juicy ribeyes. Yummy, 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 yummy. Got to go with the juicy ribeyes. Now we're moving on to the butter. This butter is a no-no. Don't let me catch you with. Don't ever let me catch you with. I can't believe it's not butter. Okay, I will disown you. You're gonna want to go with the Kerrygold butter. I'm telling you, this stuff is worth its weight in gold. I kid you not. It's the only butter you should be eating. Now, I see a lot of people make this mistake when they do keto. They go with peanuts as their nut source. And I'm telling you guys, you don't want to go with peanuts. They are a horrible nut. You can go with much better ones. Preferably my favorite, which is salted and roasted macadamia nuts. Those are the ones you want to get. Now, yes, they are a little bit pricey, but I'm telling you, if you got the extra cash, go with the salted and roasted macadamia nuts. And we're moving on. Now we're getting to coconut oil. This is where I like to get my fats from. which I will talk about a little bit after we complete this grocery haul. But coconut oil is going to be a really big part of where I get my fats when I'm getting back to basics, getting back on my ketogenic diet, getting back on my weight loss program. Next up, we got avocados. You know I got to get the avocados in there. I know y'all weren't thinking I was going to miss the avocados, especially after I told you if you want to battle the keto flu, potassium is going to be a big part of that. And so the way to get that in is you got to get the avocados. One avocado a day keeps the keto haters away. So on to our next fat source, and what that's going to be is extra virgin olive oil. This is a great fat source, super clean. Put this on your food, cook your meats in this, throw it on your salad, however you want to use it. Just get this in your system. This is great for getting back to the basics. And while I'm in this section, it was the salt section. If you don't have salt, then you need to pick up yourself some salt, because obviously, like I said in the previous episodes, sodium is going to be very important to battle the keto flu. Don't ever let me catch you with this Morton salt. Okay, don't ever. You better have Redmond's real salt, or your next best option will be pink Himalayan salt. But if you can get Redmond's real salt, I highly recommend you go with that one instead. And this last item is like a bonus one, but for me, I grew up on sodas. Obviously, when I came into my keto journey, my weight loss journey, obviously sodas are not part of that. Go with Zevia. The Zevia root beer one's my absolute favorite, but really all of them taste so good. Zevia is going to be a perfect option for you if you want that soda feeling, you're craving that soda taste. Zevia is going to be your best option. Keto friendly, won't spike your blood sugar, 0 calories. It's perfect. So there you go, guys. That is my grocery haul, my getting back to keto basics grocery haul. Now, I know a lot of you probably wondering, Logan, where were the pork grinds? Where was the cheese? Where was the sour cream? Where were the cream cheese? Where's the bacon? Where's the pork? Where's the sausage? Where are all those things at? Obviously, guys, there is a cleaner way to do keto, and then there's a lazy way to do keto, or a dirty way to do keto, right? Now, look, you can still get amazing results doing lazy keto and dirty keto. I know a lot of people personally who have lost tons of weight doing keto dirty, and they still do dirty keto. But for me, you got to understand, I'm more of a bodybuilder type style, so I want very clean foods, and I'm trying to get as shredded as possible, right? And so I keep my foods very clean. As you notice, there wasn't any keto friendly ice cream, keto friendly bread, there wasn't any like warm up foods or microwavable foods that are keto friendly. It's just really basic ketogenic meals, but very healthy, to the point where even if I wasn't doing keto, the foods that are in my grocery cart are really good for you. They're really healthy, whether you were doing keto or not. Those are probably going to be your best options. Like I said, people that I know that eat a crap load of cream cheese, sour cream, heavy whipping cream in their coffee, pork grinds and sausage and bacon and all these things. It's good, don't get me wrong. I know it's good because I love all those things. But when it's time to get back to the basics, it's time to get back on track, and it's time to start losing weight and getting as shredded as possible, getting leaned out. These are the foods you want to stick with, and you want to keep those other things just out of your diet for now. They're not gone forever, just for now, keep them out of your diet. So that is my grocery haul, guys. Let me know what I missed. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments below. Also, I haven't forgotten, we are going to pick a winner in the next episode. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out episode 3. We're doing a huge giveaway, 250 doll hairs. And we're going to announce the winner on the next video. So I haven't forgotten. Don't worry. I want to say thank you guys for watching this series. Thank you guys for commenting, showing love. Share this on your Facebook. Share this with your friends. Help the algorithm god. By hitting that thumbs up, it would help me and help this channel. And as always, guys, I appreciate everything that you guys do for me in this channel. My family appreciates it. I appreciate it. And I just couldn't thank you enough. So thank you, guys. We'll see y'all in the next video for episode 5. We got 2 more episodes left, guys. I'm excited. Peace.